Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. In this video, I will be showing some of the Udemy courses which is absolutely free. You have to follow some instructions which is we are getting these courses by free. How you may ask? Because of applying some referral coupon codes. By that coupon code only we are getting. You can see this course cost around 8,640 rupees and 100% offer coupon code has been applied. You can see here the UCACC this coupon code was applied. Because of this coupon code applied only we are getting this course for free. It's not any magic. So I will be telling some of the 25 plus courses is there in this video. Don't skip the video because you may lose the coupon code. When I am showing the coupon code, pause the video for 10 seconds and manually type in your laptop or mobile phone. I will be given the link in the description. I just removed the coupon code now for proving you. When I removed the coupon code, it became 8,640 rupees. You can see right. So please be careful when applying the coupon code. Okay, let's get started in the video. For example, I have shown this course. Let me start with first course, which is Arabic language course. You can see this course. I have already applied the coupon codes because if I am manually applying the coupon code in the video will go long for 45 minutes. So what I have I have already applied the coupon codes for all the courses and started my screen recording. And here you can see if you are applying this coupon code, you will get this course free. When you complete this course, you will get the certification. You will be certified when you this course completion. Links in description. Enroll as soon as possible. This is how to get a job in IT. This is the coupon code. Whenever I am showing the coupon code, you just pause the video for 10 seconds so that you will be getting the what coupon, because some of the coupon codes may be easy but some of the coupon codes is alphanumeric mixed in the form they are coming. So please be careful while entering the coupon code. And the next course is Flutter advanced course. These courses are all modern technology courses. These courses are all, if you got this outside, they may cost around 5,000 to 10,000. This is the coupon code. This is something difficult, I think. This is alphanumeric coupon code. Please be careful when you are entering the coupon code. This is advanced course. If you want to get the intermediate course, I will be 3 courses are available. This is intermediate course. For the intermediate course, this is the coupon code. Pause the video. Whenever I am showing the coupon code, just pause the video. You can find the link in the description with the heading. If you want the Flutter intermediate, I will be given the link with the heading only. You can get the link. This is Flutter beginner course. So if you want to learn Flutter for a long time, this video is helped you, I think. If you are found this video help, please make sure to subscribe our channel and enable the bell icon and share with your friends. And I have shown for beginner, advanced and intermediate course. This is dot course, that is Flutter. This is dot. For dot also we are having 3 courses: beginner, advanced, intermediate. This is the coupon code you are seeing. This is the dot advanced course. So this is dot intermediate course. For this course you are getting whenever I'm showing coupon code, you don't consider my audio. You just, whenever you are seeing the coupon code, just pause the video and enter or note down in your notebook. So when you are entering the link, it will be useful, right? So this is dot beginner course. For dot beginner course, this is the coupon code I have already applied. So please note down, and when you are getting into the link, it will be helpful. This is SC900 Microsoft. It's cost around some 42. And the important thing is this course is available for 12 hours left at this price. This coupon codes and all may expire within 2 days, maximum of 2 days, and minimum of 12 hours or 24 hours. So as soon as possible, enroll now. And the next course is complete course in AutoCAD electrical. This course costs around 2,000 rupees, and if you are applying this coupon code, you will getting the course for free. So you will be getting these type of skills. When I am showing the screen, you may also see what you will learn. So please refer to it, and if the course suits you and if you need fulfill your requirements, take this course. And this course also 2 days available in this price, and some of the courses will not be available for 2 days. It will expire within 12 hours or 24 hours. If you are applying this SAP for free course, you will get this SAP course for free. And next course is complete course in Autodesk 3D model. Yeah, this course costs around 2000 rupees, and by applying this coupon code you can get this course for free, and you will be learning these things in it when I am showing this course, and also once verify with what you will learn, so that you can came to know is this helpful for you or not. This is, I don't know which course it is, I didn't aware about this what type of course it is, but if you find this helpful, make note down the coupon code, so you will be learning these kind of things. So whenever I am showing, you just verify, and you just see what you are going to learn. If you are taking this course, it will be beneficial for you. You just cross verify and take the course wherever. It will be free only, and the best course is SQL for beginners. It is beginners, PostgreSQL, and we may pronounce SQL. This is absolutely for beginners, and it's cost around something 600 rupees, and this is coupon code. When you are applying this coupon code, you will get this course for free, absolutely free, and you will get the certification, completion certification, so that you can add in a resume, and your resume may stand out from other your colleagues. So use this time and courses, friends, and share with your friends too. Complete course in AutoCAD 2D and 3D, and by applying this coupon code you will be get this course for free, and you are learning these kind of things in this. So you just verify when I am showing the courses. If I take this course, will I get any job or anything? If you get anything, only you must do one thing, right? Simply you can't do, right? So please cross verify with it. And this is Flutter with Firebase. Flutter advanced, intermediate, beginner level course and all I have shown, but this is Flutter with Firebase. So you will be getting this course completion certification. Once you complete this course, you will be adding you can add this Udemy certificates in your resume or CV. These are all it will add value to your CV. This is Adobe Lightroom Masterclass. For intro, I have shown this video. This beginner class only, but now the coupon code is not applied, because when I am showing the introduction to this video, I have removed the coupon code. Right now I have applied, and you can see it just refreshed, and this page become for you, and you also this only will happen when you are clicking the link. You may see the course with cost with 8,640 rupees, right? You will be see this 8,640 rupees. When you are going to the enter coupon code section, applying the coupon code, you will get the course for free. And it is web development masterclass complete certificate course. You just copy this coupon code, and you are learning a lot in this course. Yeah, so many of them concepts are covering, because web development not a big stuff, right? So make use of it, guys. 2021 YouTube masterclass. If you are having your YouTube channel, so for you it will be helpful. And moving on, next, data analytics real world projects in Python. This course, this is also one of the modern technology high demand courses. So please take these courses, and I'll note down the coupon code, and when you are entering into the link, it will be helpful. This is the Tableau master data visualization. If you are not aware with Tableau, let me give the small introduction. Tableau is a data visualization tool. Oh no, this is 24 hours only. This teacher instructor is very beautiful. Because of the instructor, you can take this course, guys. This is the free coupon code. Make note of it. And the next one is HTML and CSS certification course for beginners. Most of the course I will be showing, it will be for beginners only. This is a coupon code. I think it's a bit difficult. While noting down the coupon code, please be careful, because if one letter changed also, your coupon code will not be valid. If you are confused with the coupon code, you just verify here and there. Here you are saying the coupon code, you may get confused what coupon code I am saying. When that time, you can verify with the left corner, and you can verify which course I am saying. This is machine learning real world projects in Python, and you will get this course for free. And Python programming full course for beginners, which is available in Hindi. Those who are Hindi viewers, you can make use of it. And Next course is Lumion landscape. I don't know what course this is. I think photography course something. Apply this coupon code, you will get this course for free, because time is getting late. So what I make so much fast, I am rushing. Master Python with data science and machine learning. Wow, superb courses, because these are all high demand, and one of the big marketing for the educational line. So make use of it, guys. Supply chain management, you will be get this course for free. You get you will be get a certification, so that completing this certification you may go to the supply chain management, or you will be a junior supply chain manager. And this is SEO training 2021 complete SEO course. What you want to know about search engine optimization, it costs around 8,640 rupees. By applying this coupon code, you will get this course absolutely for free. And the next course is real estate institutional. I don't know how many of them make use it, real estate courses. And the last course, but last but not least, this we will be uploading all the courses in the future. If you like the video or like our stuff, please make sure to subscribe our channel. And if you want the courses, I will be uploading daily new courses. You may not aware about that. By seeing this video, you may came to know what we are doing, so great work we are doing. So please appreciate in your comment section. If you're not having time, please give a like to us. Stay subscribed and stay tuned. Thank you. Bye. See you in next video.